Well, hello, my dear friends, and today we prepared a crazy content for you. This baby over here uses the air as a superhero. My crew prepared some crazy, completely unexpected objects to test the grain cleaner. Some mixes you would never ever think of. So what's gonna happen? We have no idea. Watch till the end because this machine might work or might not work and might even explode. So stay till the end. So let's start. Okay guys, now let's take a look at our superhero over here. So what we got? This is aerodynamic grain cleaner. Okay, what it does generally, it cleans grain so you don't have some nasty stuff in your bread, in your flour, in your cereals, right? You don't want any plastic, metal objects there. So this machine basically saving lives daily. Okay, what it got? It's a hopper. This is where the product goes. Then we use air stream to separate by relative density. So we'll have heavier objects, lightest, and all the dust and finer objects go over here. So let's see how it's doing. Will it be up to challenge, or maybe it will break from our new challenging objects, or it will explode? Well, guys, this is crazy, unbelievable. It's never been done in the history of grain cleaning testing. We got here M&M's, coffee beans, marshmallows, Fruit Loopies, Golden Bears, Skittles. Oh gosh, you guys crazy? What do you got here?
No! God, please, no! No!
Nasty. Ah! Oh, I think it's moving. Okay. Now we got here the metal objects, chocolate chips, buttons, fake bait, red poison, different type of plastics, plastic bullets, and real bullets for second. So guys, enough talking. Let's do some action.
So just do it!
And the first task I got is to... why are you guys doing this to me? I have to mix these boys over here with some nice green peas. Anybody want some worms in this soup? Let's do it. Oh my God, guys, why are you doing this to me? I have to mix it now. Okay, I close my eyes. Anybody want some mealworms in the soup? That smells pretty nasty. I can't believe it, you guys doing this to me. Okay, enough. I don't want to do it anymore, okay? I just gotta wash my hands now. Now let's see what our superhero will do with this nasty mix. I don't want any of these mealworms in my pea soup. Here we go. Now let's see if this superhero grain cleaner can save us from these nasty mealworms. Now it's a checkup time. Let's see if that superhero did a good job and save us soup. Okay. Here we can see the nice peas. We definitely can cook them, and nothing would tell us that a minute ago there would be a nasty worms in there. Next one down. Also a nice piece. Take a look. Yeah, we can definitely use them. Here, I think there is some issues with this particular section. We can start seeing some worms there. And here as well. Here is basically all worms. No, no good. We are not cooking that. And the worst section I would ever seen before. Look at this nasty stuff over here. So guys, what do you think? Please comment below of how do you think the machine did. Would you cook this piece, clean piece? I think it's did about like what, 50-50 or maybe better. So please comment and also bring your own ideas, what we can mix and run on this machine, and definitely the best ideas will make a video and mention you that it's been your idea. All right guys, now we're gonna do some red wheat and we're gonna mix it over with some metal objects. Now, if you think this scenario is unreal, I could find you a few articles from Food Safety Department of Oregon, for example, where they have issues with metal objects in the food. So you don't want any of this stuff in your bread, right? Or croissant. So let's see what the machine do with that. This is a cool challenge, don't you think so? So let's go. All right, guys, it's checkup time. Let's see what we got over here. Not too much lighter stuff, but you still don't want any of this crop in your bread or pastry. Last section looks pretty nasty. I can see some puny grain here and actually some pink kernels as well. That tells me that this grain has a little bit of funguses, which is harmful for animals as well as people. Next one up is right here. Also not so good. Same pinkish stuff. Some pieces of chaff, straw. And this grain is not good for milling and, you know, for your flour. Not good.
It's no good.
All right. Here we go. This is getting better now. Some of this grain we can use. But where's our metal? I don't see our metal objects. That's the whole thing, what we were doing that for. We don't see any metal here. And here. This one looks pretty good. But where all our metal goes? Here we go, guys. Here the bunch of nasty stuff you wouldn't want to see in your bread or pastries, your pancakes, you name it. So guys from Oregon who make that article about food safety issues with metal objects in grain, guys, I got good news for you.
Good news, everyone.
We can clean it. And guys, please put in the comments what kind of stuff you found before in your pastries, in your bread, and also what would you prefer to have there. That would be fun. And now, guys, honestly, I didn't want to do it, but my crew insisting that we testing these bullets. I am not standing next to the machine when this goes down, for sure. I'm ready to do anything for the good show. So let's try that.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, and now who stayed till the end deserve this showtime. I have no idea how it's gonna end up. If we're gonna survive or if the machine are gonna get destroyed, explode, I have no idea. I'm shaking. 1, 2, 3. Run!
Run.
Whew, guys, that was quite a task. Let me tell you, I was praying around the corner here, but I'm so happy that this machine is still alive. So am I. And please don't try to do anything like that at home, because we have a professional crew and we cover any kind of scenarios, okay? So not trying on yourself, okay? And now let's see the results, what we've got here. Section 6, 5, 4, 3. All I can see here is just pure millet. And all our bullets in sections 2 and 1. All safe and sound, unexploded. Nice, full bullets right here. So I know, guys, some of you wanted that machine to explode, right? If you're one of them, please put a like up. If you are okay that I survived the machine also, even more reason to put like, so thumbs up, please do. And also subscribe, because we're gonna do more and more fun videos, and we will be happy to see in comments all the fun mixes you have in mind and all the best suggestions. We will make a video and tag you on it. So guys, it's been an awesome day. We had so much fun. We tested some dangerous and fun things together, but guess what? We have more machinery and even more tests for you. So please subscribe. Make sure they hit the bell so you know about new videos first. So we will be happy to see you on our channel again and again and again.